So I opened up this Tascam power adapter that was not working, and before I throw it away, because I don't think it's worth repairing because you can get a replacement for $10, but I want to see what's wrong. And the two positive and negative are shorted. I guess I could have figured that out before opening it up, but it's probably because of this cable that got ruined. The inside is actually incredibly simple. It simply has a bridge rectifier, the 4 diodes, and capacitor, probably for smoothing the output, and the transformer. Nothing else. It does say C1 and C2, but I don't see C2 there. Looks like that one's probably optional. I guess I may as well test the capacitor with my capacitor tester. I think that's fine. If it's bad, it makes a different noise. All right. See you in the next video.